Hello everyone, welcome to Happy English Kids. Unit 9, Food. What food is missing? What food is missing? Soup. What food is missing? Hamburger. What food is missing? Rice. What food is missing? Cheese. What food is missing? Sandwich. What food is missing? Noodles. What food is missing? Sandwich. What food is missing? Hamburger. What food is missing? Cheese. What food is missing? Soup. What food is missing? Noodles. What food is missing? Rice.